Hey everybody, this is Melvin with TechRunning 24/7. In today's video, we want to show you 3 different ways to charge your Apple Pencil first generation. And as you can see here, we have our Apple Pencil here. And you can tell it's the first generation pencil because the top comes off and exposes the charging port that you would use to charge the pencil up. And so the first way you would charge the pencil up is what everybody knows, is to charge it up by sticking it into your iPad. And so we're gonna reach over and grab our iPad and we're gonna set it down here. And the very first way most people know of to charge the Apple Pencil is to take the cap off and to insert it into the charging port right here on the side, like so. And so that is the way you do it. One way, the way you do it, and then you will slide over on your screen from the left. And as you can see here, I'm gonna bring it up a little closer. It's showing the amount of charge that's left on the iPad and that the Apple Pencil is being charged. And so if you were to unplug it here, you'll see that the lightning bolt is gone. I'll pull it out again and stick it back in there, and as you again see, it says 65%, and you see the lightning bolt on the where the pencil is showing. And so that is the first way you would charge your Apple Pencil. Now the second way to charge the Apple Pencil, which not many people know of, and I didn't really know of till here recently, hence the reason for the video, is once you get the Apple Pencil, this is the box there to come in. And if you would open up the box and remove the paperwork there, and we're going to set that down, and we're going to slide it open, slide out the paperwork, and inside here, but also, like I said, which I didn't know, it has an adapter that comes with the Apple Pencil, and of course an extra tip for the writing portion of the pencil. And so if we were to take this adapter out, so you just peel this back and you pull the adapter out, and this is what the adapter looks like. And the way you would use this is you would go and you would grab your cord, your lightning cord, and this would, I believe, slide on this way. Actually slide on that way. And it snaps into place. Then you would take your Apple Pencil and it slides in this way. And so that is another way of charging it, the second way of charging it. And actually, I like this way a whole lot better than sticking it into the bottom of the iPad, which I think is pretty awkward. So this is the second way to charge your Apple Pencil. Now the third way to charge your Apple Pencil is by using a product by a company called Eureka, and it is a charging station. And this is it here. If you guys are interested in it, you can pick this up off of Amazon, and it only runs $25. And so I saw this on Amazon and thought this was a great product to show along with how to charge the Apple Pencil. And so let's go ahead and open it up real quick and see what's inside. Not only will it charge your Apple Series 1 pencil, but it can charge the Apple Series 2 pencil too. And so when you take a look around it, you'll see this is where the Apple Series 1 pencil will go into there. It has a little slit part there to where the head of the pencil, or where, you know, normally we would have an eraser, sticks down in there. And then on this side, if you had an Apple II pencil, it will magnetically stick to that. And then you put your cap here, and then you put your pencil tips in there if you wanted to. And if you look on the side, it's being charged by USB-C port. And so we're going to show you real quick how that actually looks. We're going to grab our Apple Pencil Series 1. Then we're going to move the box out of the way. And our wireless charger here, we're going to unplug the USB-C port. And the way it would work is that plugs into the USB-C port, plugs into the back of that. You pull off your tip off your Apple Pencil Series 1, and the top of the pencil sticks in there, and then you stick the pencil into there. And that's how that charges. Like I said, you also have these spaces here too. So if you had this sitting on your desk, you can put your little pencil tips on there. Now, like we said, if you had a Series 2 pencil, the way it works is it would be magnetically stuck to there and charge. Because that's the way the Series 2 charges, is it sticks to the side of your iPad and it charges there. And so, in other words, if we pull the Series 1 out, this won't do it, of course. But on the Series 2, it has a flat side, so you put that flat side right against there, and it will charge your Series 2. And so you can actually charge both of these pencils at the same time. Put your Series 1 there with the cap and the lids, and then put your Series 2 here against that. So this particular stand will come in very handy as far as being able to charge your Apple Pencil, and it is a nice addition to your desk. And so that's it for our video for today. 3 different ways to charge your Apple Pencil Series 1. So hopefully we shared something that you can use, something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.